A chef.
Interesting.
Kuya, isa pa nga. It's very,
Okay, sige.
it's very fast.
What kind of action should we expect from your character
Okay po.
considering that you're playing a chef? In English, please.
So, I'm a sous chef.
So? So chef!
So?
Can you guys just accept it?
Yes! Kaya pa nagsimula sa so, okay? As a so chef.
Yes. Hindi, so kung nakikita niyo po sa mga BTS ko, tsaka yung mga ibang clips po na gumagamit na ako ng knife talaga. So, yung expertise ko talaga is knife po. So, marami pa kayong makikita na action scenes na yun yung gamit ko po, weapon.
Is that pikiti? Tama ba yung term or...
Anong PKT ah? Hello Kitty lang alam.
Sorry.
May PKT kasi na term for knife fighting.
Okay.
Pero yung Hello Kitty,
Pero
baka
kasi,
pwede rin.
pero kasi di ba kuya survival to eh. So kahit anong kutsilyo, mahawa ko.
Ay, grabe, madalim. Hindi may. Okay, from